Welcome to DCA Crypto, the channel that brings you the de-dollarization revolution one interesting video at a time. Today, we're dropping some knowledge bombs and taking you back to the genesis moment of Tether. Join us as we unravel the mystery behind this revolutionary stablecoin. Get ready to witness the birth of Tether and discover how this remarkable creation shook the financial world like never before. Some may say it was destiny, others may call it sheer brilliance. But whatever the reason, the outcome has been nothing short of extraordinary. So hold on tight and prepare to be amazed by what unfolds. But let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right into it. When Bitcoin was still finding its footing, there were many who doubted its potential. Skeptics argued that Bitcoin lacked the necessary backing by government or institution to truly succeed. However, pioneers like Brock Pierce saw beyond the naysayers and recognized the transformative power of this innovative digital currency. It was in 2014 that Brock, along with his fellow entrepreneurs, identified a critical pain point in the crypto space. People needed a way to store their hard-earned crypto gains securely, without worrying about the inherent volatility of crypto assets. This concern was even highlighted by one of Brock's partners, Reeve Collins, who admitted that the first thing he did after earning profits from mining was to convert his Bitcoin into cash. It was at this pivotal moment that an idea was born, an idea that would soon change the face of crypto forever. You see, the year was 2014, a time when the value of Bitcoin was fluctuating wildly and left many investors feeling uneasy. Imagine investing your savings only to watch its value plummet the next day. Such unpredictability made it challenging for cryptocurrencies to gain widespread adoption, leaving them more suitable as speculative investments rather than a reliable means of exchange. Moreover, the process of converting crypto back into fiat for everyday purchases seemed unnecessarily cumbersome. The dream of a seamless digital economy remained out of reach, hindered by the lack of a stable solution that could provide the best of both worlds, the security of long-term storage and the ease of everyday transactions. That's when Brock, along with his partners, embarked on a mission to develop a groundbreaking solution. They set out to create a cryptocurrency that was pegged to a stable asset such as the US dollar, offering users peace of mind and the confidence to use crypto in their everyday lives. Their goal was nothing short of revolutionary: to create a digital asset that combined the best of both worlds, the security of traditional finance and the innovation of the crypto space. One notable player in this journey was Craig Sellars, a prominent figure in the crypto space who had previously worked on the Mastercoin project. With his expertise in technology and deep understanding of the crypto market, Craig played a pivotal role in bringing the vision to reality. Mastercoin itself was an early experiment in programmable coins, laying the groundwork for many of the features we take for granted today. You could even say that Mastercoin was a stepping stone in the path that eventually led to the creation of Tether. Craig's involvement added a significant boost of credibility to the project. Together, they poured their collective knowledge, experience, and passion into developing a solution that would address the pressing needs of the crypto community. Through countless hours of brainstorming and meticulous planning, they gave birth to an idea that would soon become known as Tether. With the core team assembled, it was time to bring this groundbreaking idea to life. But little did they know the challenges that lay ahead. As they delved deeper into development, they encountered unexpected roadblocks and technical complexities that threatened to derail their progress. Yet they persevered, driven by their shared belief in the importance of creating a stable cryptocurrency. Despite the obstacles, their determination only grew stronger. The team worked tirelessly, dedicating countless hours to finding solutions and refining their concept. They knew that what they were working on had the potential to revolutionize the crypto industry, and they were committed to seeing it through. Finally, after months of hard work and relentless dedication, they emerged victorious. On July 2014, they proudly announced the launch of their project, which initially bore the name Realcoin. Realcoin represented a beacon of stability in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Each unit of Realcoin was backed by a corresponding amount of US dollars held in reserve, providing investors with a sense of security and trust. The idea was simple yet revolutionary. Now, with a stable foundation in place, they were ready to introduce this groundbreaking concept to the world. The response was nothing short of phenomenal. Crypto enthusiasts and investors alike embraced Real, quickly recognizing its potential to transform the industry. But the journey was far from over. As Real gained momentum, the founders realized the need for a more impactful name that truly captured the essence of their creation. It was at this pivotal moment that a new name emerged, a name that would soon become synonymous with stability in the crypto space: Tether. Now you might be wondering what inspired them to choose this particular name. Well, it's quite ingenious when you think about it. The word Tether perfectly encapsulates the concept behind their creation. Just as a tether connects to points, stabilizing them together, Tether, the cryptocurrency, aimed to establish a stable connection between the crypto world and traditional finance. By pegging each tether to the US dollar, they were effectively creating a bridge between these seemingly disparate worlds. In the world of crypto, where innovation and creativity run wild, Tether stood out as a memorable and approachable option. It rolled off the tongue easily, making it instantly recognizable and shareable among users. Furthermore, the founders wanted to create a name that transcended borders and resonated with people worldwide. And with its simple, universal appeal, Tether achieved just that. As the name change took shape, the team worked diligently to ensure a smooth transition. They updated branding materials, developed user-friendly interfaces, and educated the community about the rebranding efforts. It was a carefully orchestrated dance that aimed to minimize confusion and maintain momentum. On November 2014, the big day arrived. They officially unveiled Tether to the world. The response was nothing short of euphoric. Crypto enthusiasts and investors alike welcomed the rebranding, recognizing the significance of the name change. It symbolized a new era of stability and reliability in the crypto space. And so the journey continued. With a solid foundation, a passionate team, and a name that embodied their mission, Tether was poised to revolutionize the crypto industry and change the way the world viewed digital currencies forever. After the name change, the demand for Tether exploded. Investors eager to secure their crypto assets flocked to the platform, recognizing Tether as a safe haven amidst the volatility of the crypto market. The trading volume skyrocketed as Tether became the go-to choice for preserving value. But Tether's impact extended far beyond just being a storage option. It facilitated seamless transactions, allowing users to exchange goods and services without the hassle of traditional banking systems. Tether's popularity soared, establishing itself as a vital part of the crypto ecosystem. In fact, the demand for Tether led to a strategic decision by the founders to expand their operations. Initially, they had planned to limit the supply of Tether to 100 million units. However, in response to overwhelming demand, they scrapped this cap entirely. This move allowed Tether to meet the growing needs of the market and further solidified its position as a leading stablecoin. This surge in popularity can be attributed to several key factors. First and foremost, Tether offered investors peace of mind knowing that each Tether was backed by a real-world asset, the US dollar. This level of transparency and security fostered trust and confidence in the market. Additionally, Tether provided a much-needed solution to the volatility issue plaguing the crypto industry. Investors could store their funds in Tether knowing that its value remained relatively stable, reducing the risk of sudden price fluctuations. Furthermore, Tether's user-friendly interface and accessibility made it an attractive option for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. Its compatibility with various platforms and wallets ensured a smooth user experience, contributing to its widespread adoption. However, the founders were not content with just meeting demand. They envisioned a future where Tether went beyond being a mere stablecoin. In the coming years, Tether would continue to evolve, expanding its reach into new frontiers and solidifying its position as a key player. In the crypto space, the stage was set for Tether to rise to new heights, driven by its unwavering commitment to innovation, stability, and accessibility. What do you admire the most about Tether's journey so far? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your voice matters, and we love to hear from you. Also, if you want to stay up to date with all things DCA Crypto, hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. And don't forget to check out our previous videos, where we continue to bring you the most informative and entertaining content in the game. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep stacking.